Thomas, how's that working out for you? Nothing? Go faster. Well, what's the problem? You can't? Why not? It's too hard? You're slipping? I know. You think maybe it's not a good idea? Is it a good idea to ride the bikes in the snow and the ice? No. You gonna try to do some more? Icicles. Icicles. Yummy. Yummy. You better eat one. How's it taste? Good or gross? Crunch, crunch, crunch. How is it? Tell me.
Good.
Good? Okay. I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate, okay?
Hot chocolate!
Okay, come on. Hot, 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 hot chocolate.